Hello students, in this session we are going to learn how we can format a Word document. Formatting means making the text document attractive and presentable. It helps us to enrich the appearance of the document and make it more attractive. Different formatting features available are paragraph setting, font setting, page setting, etc. Now let's begin with that. In MS Word, on the Home tab, you will find these options. B is for bold, it is for I for italic, U for underline. This is strike out the text, subscript, superscript. This is the type of font. This is font size. That is to increase the size of the character by 1. It is to decrease the size of the character by 1. It is to apply text effects. It is to apply change case option. It is for color, font color. Now changing font. If you want to change the font of a document, then first you need to select the text, and after that on the Home tab here you can find many fonts available like Arial, Times New Roman, Comic Sans MS, Calibri, etc. You can apply the font by changing the font type from this box, the drop down box, like here. After selecting the text, just click on this. You will find many types of fonts available here, and you can choose any of the font according to your requirement. Now changing size of the font. First you need to select the font. After selecting the font, just click on this font size drop down box. After clicking on this font size drop down box, a list of size will be available, and after that you can select any of the size according to your requirement to apply the changes on the selected text. Now changing the font color. Again, you can change the color of the font by simply selecting the text on the document, and on the Home tab you will find the option font color. See here, this font color option. If you click on this, it will give you different type of colors available here. You can find more colors by clicking on this option, and after that select any color of your requirement of your choice, and you can apply the color on the selected text. Now if you want to make a text bold, then simply select a text. After that on the Home tab the option B is present. This option, it is used to make the text bold, it is used to make the text italic, it is used to make the text underline. Italic means it makes the text slightly slanted towards right. So if you want to make the text bold, then just select the text, and after that click the bold option. It will make the text bold. The shortcut key for the bold is Ctrl plus B. Remember that from the keyboard also you can make the text bold. In the same way, the shortcut key for the italic is Ctrl plus I, and the shortcut key for the underline is Ctrl plus U. So if you want to make a text italic, first you need to select the text. After that on the Home tab click on the italic option. In the same way, If you want to make a text underline, first you need to select the text, and on the home tab the underline option is available. So again, remember that the shortcut key, the keyboard key to make the text bold is Ctrl plus B. To make the text italic, there is Ctrl plus I, and to make the text underline, it is Ctrl plus U. You can find many underline options by clicking on this arrow. This is a triangle over here. If you click on this, a drop down list will appear which will show you the different types of underline option, like here. If you click on this down arrow, then a drop down list will appear which will show you different underline option present available here. You can select any of the option according to your choice to apply the underline option on the selected text. Now, applying text effects. Text effects means you want to show the shadow or reflection or glow the outline, and some other text effect options are available. Like here, it is showing you different text effect options available. To apply these options, first you need to select the text, and after that click on the text effect button. After that, from the drop down list you can find many text effects available. You can choose any of one and you can apply this. Text effect button is this. It is present under home tab in the font group. So just click on this drop down box. It will show you different effects which can be applied to the selected text. If you want to apply these text to the entire document, so the shortcut key to select the entire document is Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A is the shortcut key for select all. So after selecting the entire document, whole document, you can apply any of the formatting feature to the entire document. That is, you can change the font color, font size, font type, or anything. Now, formatting text using font dialog box. If you want to launch the font dialog box in which all the formatting features of fonts are available, then you can launch the font dialog box by clicking on this launcher. This is present in the right corner of the font group. See here. On the home tab, this is the font group, and this thing, this is the launcher to launch the font option. If you click on this, this is the launcher. If you click on this, then font dialog box will appear which will show you all the options which are available for the setting of the font under one box. Some of the effects are strikeout, double strikeout, small cap, all caps. Strikeout means it will cut this text. Strikeout means if you put the slash mark over here, it is strikeout. Double strikeout means double slash mark. Then this is small caps, means small size capital letters, and it shows the capital letters, this all caps. Now subscript, superscript. Subscript means when a text appear below the normal text, it is subscript. Like here, suppose it is O2, it is subscript, and the text which appear slightly above than the normal text, it is superscript. The subscript and superscript options are available in the font group on the home tab. This, it is subscript, it is superscript. If you click on this, then your cursor will move slightly upwards and you can write the text over here. Remember that the shortcut key for subscript and superscript is, for subscript shortcut keys you need to press Control, Shift and equal to sign together, and for the superscript it is simply Control and equal to. So again remember this, the shortcut key for subscript is Control, Shift, equal. You need to press these key together, and for the superscript it is Control and equal to. You need to press the Control and equal to together. In the same way, if we want to make the text again to the normal text, then again press it or click on this button, it will again move to the normal text. Now highlighting the text, if we want to highlight some text, then simply select the text and under font group present on the home tab, there is a text highlighter button. See here, it is a highlighter button. From this drop down box you can choose any of the color according to your choice, for which you can apply this thing on the selected text. The shortcut key for highlighting the text is Control plus Alt plus H. Remember this, this is a shortcut key, Control plus Alt plus H. If you simply press Control plus H, then Control plus H is a shortcut key for replace option. But if you want to highlight the text, then the shortcut key is Control plus Alt plus H. Highlights make this text highlight. Now the change case option. The change case option changes the letter present on the document, that is uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. So these options are available in the font group on the home tab. There are following change case option, that is sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. Sentence case. Sentence case, it will make first letter of the sentence capital. Uppercase, it will make the entire document in capital letter. Lowercase, it will change the case of the entire document in the small letters. Capitalize each word, it will capitalize first character of each word. Toggle case, it converts uppercase into lowercase and lowercase into uppercase. So all these change case option, these are available in the font group under home tab. If you want to apply these change case option, first you need to select the text. After selecting the text, on the home tab you will find this button. Look at here, this button. This is change case. This button means on the home tab under font group you find this change case option button. If you click on this drop down menu, then it will show all the change case options available which can be applied to a document. Means if you click on this drop down menu, it will show you the sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and toggle case. In this way you can apply the change case option to the entire document. Thank you.